이용 시 마스크 착용은 필수입니다. 11월 14일부터 마스크 미착용 시 10만 원 이하의 과태료가 부과됩니다.
Ocean view hotel, but I have no time to enjoy ocean view from hotel. Usually it's ocean view. Next time I need to book, hotel in city, close area for 12 stop.
이번 정류장은 서해안로입니다. 다음 정류장은 어영마을입니다. 대중교통 이용 시 마스크 착용은 필수입니다. 11월 14일부터
I actually tried to book one hotel, even it was $90 cheaper than this hotel. Even that hotel was right next to all tour bus area. A little bit regret about that. Even when I wake up, I need to hurry. Oh my god, I'm late. Take a shower, quick wake up, run outside.
이번 정류장은 어영마을입니다. 다음 정류장은 공항초소입니다. 대중교통 이용 시 마스크 착용은 필수입니다. 11월 14일부터 마스크 미착용 시 10만 원 이하의 과태료가 부과됩니다.
My town again. My town has great ocean also, but no time to go there. They can't go there daytime. Here, these, granite rocks. A lot of granite rocks. Clean. If I wake up super early tomorrow, maybe I can get a chance, This ocean color, super pretty also, I'm sure. Can you see? Super clean, I'm sure. Ugh, 1 second. Need to charge this phone. Oh, sorry. Yeah, looks super clean. Look, super clean. Here. I'm sure this ocean color will be great. I'm sure. expecting. Yes. I'm expecting. How Jeju Island, ocean super clean like this? How is that? Okay. What's the road? There's no car. Oh, lucky today. Yesterday, this whole area was busy, right? But today, it's so empty. Beautiful. Beautiful. It's cold night time. Should I carry my both jacket, coat, and leather jacket also? Because daytime super hot, nighttime pretty cold. My hotel is over there. Hi. Here. Yeah, it's cold. I'm so cold actually. 안녕하세요. Is it? It's bear? Holy, it's pretty okay. Oh, it was long day. Long day. Very long day. Okay. Oh. I was super hurry this morning, I hurry. Oh. Let me drink. What is it called? This is a hotel. HOTL. Hotel. Tired. 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 Let me remove lenses. Let me lenses out and wash my face. Read my face. Looks so tired.